concern, Harshji, that has been raised by him also and many other people. But tell me something, what about the Congress's top high command? What about leaders like Sonia Gandhi, leaders like Rahul Gandhi, leaders like Priyanka Gandhi? Many say that they have been personally invested in that state. So could they also not control this rebellion? They did not see this coming?
मैडम ऐसे है, वो उनका पता ही नहीं लगता, कभी अंदर आ जाते हैं, कभी बाहर चले जाते हैं, कभी बिल्कुल गायब हो जाते हैं, फिर आ जाएंगे, फिर कोई इनकी अपनी इतना कंफ्यूजन है कांग्रेस में कि उसके कोई किसी ग्रुप का साथ दे रहा है, किसी रीजन की वजह से कोई किसी ग्रुप का साथ दे रहा है, तो इनके जो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े हैं ग्रुप्स में वो बिल्कुल डाइसेशन हो रही हैं. इनके तो लीडरशिप क्राइसिस है, इनको इनके सिवाय मिलता ही नहीं कोई भी. आई मीन इवन इफ दे हैव टू मेक somebody else, it was Khadke ji who's a puppet in the hands of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. Khadke ji is above 80.
So you say Khadge ji is just a puppet in the hands of Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, and that, viewers, for you is someone who's actually been in the Congress, because Harshji has been in the Congress for the longest time, then he moved on to the BJP. But Harshji, tell me one more thing. Earlier there was a lot of conversation that Sonia Gandhi might be pitted for that lone Rajya Sabha seat from the state of Himachal. But finally she moves to Rajasthan. It's Abhishek Manu Singhvi who was put forward from Himachal. You think the Congress actually sense that they might lose that Rajya Sabha seat? क्या हुआ था sir?
In fact, I was looking forward for this contest. ये सोनिया जी को इनको डर लग गया था कि हर्ष महाजन का नाम आ गया है, बीजेपी ने उनको चुन लिया है, तो हो सकता है कुछ डेंजर हो सकता है. They didn't want to take a risk of 1%. And they ऊपर से मनु सिंघवी जी को इन्होंने सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया, इतना बड़ा, इतनी बड़ी उनके साथ धोखाधड़ी की है. हम तो वी वर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, सोनिया गांधी जी आते हमारे से लड़ती.
अच्छा, तो आप ये एक्चुअली कह रहे हैं कि सोनिया गांधी को जानबूझ के राजस्थान भेजा गया?
एब्सोल्युटली, वी वुड हैव वर्क डबल वर्क करते हम, और हम उसको यहाँ से दिखा देते कि क्या हो रहा है आपके. कांग्रेस का मैडम या इंडिया में फ्यूचर नहीं है, ना हिमाचल में. एटलीस्ट अब बीजेपी की सरकार बनेगी, 15-20 साल कांग्रेस यहाँ वापस नहीं आती, अगर आएगी. दिस इज द एंड फॉर द कांग्रेस इन हिमाचल प्रदेश.
So Harshji is claiming that this is the beginning of the end of the Congress party. But Harshji, now this brings me back to the most important question. That you won the Rajya Sabha seat, but what, sir, now happens to the state of Himachal? Do you think that the state of Himachal will go the BJP way? Because there's a lot of chatter right now that you personally are in touch with a lot of Congress MLAs and they could switch.
Yes, we are in touch with about 10 people. We are bilkul. They are finding a kind of a way out. How do we get out? How do we make the numbers? And we are comfortable now. We have got the majority, and at least 10 people are in touch with us today.
That's a big number, Harshji, that you're putting out. You're saying 10 more Congress MLAs are in touch with you, viewers. Just in case you want the numbers, remember it's a 68-member assembly. The Congress had 40 and also support of 3 independent. But right now, 6 plus 3 independent actually have voted for the BJP. And Harshji is telling us that 10 more Congress MLAs are in touch with him. I thank you right now for speaking your heart and your mind out, Harshji, like that. And also, taking on that question about Sonia Gandhi. And at this moment, I'll also quickly introduce 2 special guests with us. We do see Siddharth Yadav, who represents the BJP, and Romesh Sabharwal ji of the Congress, both with us. And I hope, Romesh ji, आपने ध्यान से ये पूरी conversation सुनी होगी. I thank you for your patience. Only till we hit a quick break. On the other side, I will ask you what happened vis-a-vis the Congress and the Operation Lotus to Siddharth on the other side of this quick break. Don't go anywhere.